Hey, are you from TRI Dental Implants?
Yeah, no, almost. It's just TRI actually.
Excuse me, are you from TRI Dental Implants?
Not quite, it's TRI. It's just TRI.
Hey, are you from TRI Dental Implants?
Oh man, I've been hearing this quite frequently. It's actually just TRI. But let's get this straight. When we started out, our focus and vision was clear: to become digital champion in the field of dental implants, recognizing sooner than anybody the big digital dentistry development in our industry. And we started with the Matrix, the first truly digital implant, with a digital gateway to modern workflows without abutments. We complemented it with the app suite, 10 apps that allow you to solve any indication on top of this digital implant, the Matrix. We added the TRI Plus plug-and-play solutions, guaranteeing that any digital device out there in the industry is compatible to our digital implant, the Matrix, to guarantee to work from A to Z on the workflows for patients and clinicians worldwide. So we connected labs, clinicians, and our technology to build a full ecosystem in the digital world. And so we came to the point where we asked ourselves the question, is our name really reflecting what we're doing, TRI Dental Implants? And it didn't. So we simplified, like we always do. From now on, it's just TRI. It's the same mindset, the same vision, the same DNA, the same hunger, and the same drive for innovation, but a broader concept of what we do, a true workflow company.